Hi guys, it's Shamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on Uoma Beauty. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. The Stay Woke Concealer, and I've got the Say What Foundation. 4 lipsticks, I'm going to be swatching them as well. First, I'm going to be starting with complexion. I have 2 products from Uoma Beauty. I have their Stay Woke Concealer, and I have the Say What Foundation. When these came, I was really excited because I really like the packaging. I really like the fact that it has like this metallic kind of shift to it. It's very minimal, it's very black and white, but then the orange makes it really funky and vibrant and exciting. They're both pretty much identical in terms of the packaging. The Stay Woke Concealer, it is a brightening concealer. You get 5 mils and 0.17 ounces, so it's pretty good size. The Kevyn Aucoin concealer is 4.4 mils, and the Tarte concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, is 10 mils actually, so that's quite big. The price is pretty good as well. It is £21 and 25 US dollars, so not bad at all. Pat McGrath is £26, Huda Beauty Overachiever £24, Tarte Cosmetics Hydro Clear £24, and this is £21. So it's actually the most affordable of the lot. Obviously it's a little bit smaller than some of the other ones, especially the Tarte. If you have a kind of darker skin tone like me, you might suffer from discoloration. So they made sure that their concealer and their foundation for this skin tone group targeted discoloration. For a more fair skin, it might be redness, so it made sure that it targeted redness. So it's quite smart actually, and I think they're pretty much the first brand that's thought to kind of target to each individual skin tone group's concern, which is very clever. This is in the Brown Sugar collection, and I got the shade T2 in Brown Sugar. There's also a T1, T3 and T4. This is the concealer here. It says Woke, and it's got orange, which I think is the color of the Brown Sugar collection. It's a really nice shade of brown. It's quite a large doe foot applicator. Blend this in with my trusty Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. It doesn't look too bad. I wouldn't say it's necessarily brightening. When they say brightening, I would expect it to do kind of what that Giorgio Armani did, which is really kind of illuminate under the eye. I'm going to put a little bit more here just to see if that makes any difference. I feel like that does look slightly better, and it definitely looks brighter and more snatched under the eye now I've added in that second layer, but I might just add a little bit more around the mouth as well. Next up is the foundation. I'm very excited about this, but also a little bit nervous about this because I feel like the shade I got might be a bit on the orange side. Foundation is £29.50 and $39 US dollars. So it is quite a big jump in difference, considering that the concealer, the exchange price isn't a lot. It is a lot more expensive in dollars than it is in pounds, but they do have a huge shade range. This is 51 shades. This is it. It looks quite orange. Shake it, shake it, shake it. It is super, super liquidy. I was not expecting it to be this consistency at all. Still got quite a little bit left. And I definitely do feel like this is quite a glowy foundation. Even though they said it's a soft matte, they did say it's hydrating, so I feel like that glow is the hydration factor. Once I put both sides on, I do feel a little bit more orange than I did before. I do feel a little bit radiating. A little goes such a long way. I really didn't actually need to use everything that I dispensed. I definitely do feel like out of most of the foundations I have, this definitely gives you more for your money. I also really like the fact that it has dried down to quite a soft matte, but it still has a bit of bounce, it still has a bit of luminosity to it as well, so it's actually a really nice formula. So before I do my lips, which is very exciting, I'm actually really excited about this, I just want to give some feedback on the foundation. I do like it, but it does feel a little bit weighty on the skin. I just feel like there's something on me, and I do think I prefer the foundation to the concealer, but I'm not really loving the way the foundation sets down. But there are certain foundations that have grown on me, like the Pat McGrath one, so perhaps this one might do the same as well. Okay, so I've got 4 lipsticks from Uoma Beauty. First, I'm going to line my lips with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense. I've tried not to cover my entire lips because I do want to try and see what the actual colour is like. The Icon Collection Badass Icon Matte Lipstick. So I've got the shades Winnie, Coretta, Angela and Maya. So it is £21.50 and it is $24, so that's a really good comparison, a really good exchange rate there. 24 US dollars or £21.50. Infused with wild mango butter, this pigment rich non-drying matte lipstick is bold and unapologetic. Their magnetic closure. I'm going to do a swatch of it. This is the shade Winnie. They are 3.5 grams and 0.12 ounces. Ooh, they're very soft to go on. Next is Maya. Okay, Maya looks very light. A bit light for me. But it kind of looks a bit like that Pat McGrath Omi shade. Next is Angela. Ooh, that's nice. That's a light nude as well, but it's a bit more brown and neutral, less pink than the other one. Coretta. Winnie, Maya, Angela, and Coretta. This is Winnie. I don't feel the matte, but I really, really like it. It's so weightless, but it's so creamy and so hydrating. I'm really, really impressed with this color. Okay, so I got this off super easily. I really like the fact it didn't stain my lips too much at all. It's really nice. So next is Maya. A bit light for how I personally like to wear my lipsticks. It's not a bad colour though at all. It's nice. It's still very creamy. It did drag a little bit more than Winnie did, but it does still feel really creamy on. I think if you do like these lighter, paler pinks, then I think you will like this shade. But this one I would say looks slightly more matte than Winnie did. I'm not sure about Coretta, oh my god. That's the shade Coretta on. It's pretty nice, it's cute. I don't know if it's a shade I would wear that often, but it's a nice shade of pink and I think it would look good on a lot of people. The one I've been waiting for, this is Angela. I'm hoping that she lives up to the hype in my head. I really like the undertone of this. I think it's so nice. It's so warm and brown and really, really tonal. It really matches my skin tone. Brown, bronzy eye looks. I think this would be a really nice lipstick to go with it. So this is Angela. Really nice brown nude. If you've been looking for a brown nude or a nude that's got a really true brown undertone, I think this is gorgeous. I definitely want to play with it more. It doesn't go perfectly with my eye look and my whole makeup now, but I can really see this working with a lot of products that I have. If you try anything from the Uoma Beauty range, I would definitely recommend the lipsticks 100%. They are so nice. The formula is so creamy. They're so comfortable to wear. I just don't feel like that concealer really covered up all of my blemishes. I feel like they're all peeking through now. Foundation wasn't bad at all, but just probably not one of my favorite foundations. So I hope you guys found that helpful. If you were considering buying stuff from Uoma Beauty, I would 100% get these lipsticks. They're so nice. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.